How to recover deleted photos and videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To recover deleted photos and videos on Android device, first you have to launch the Photos app on your device. Once you open it, at bottom you will see different options like Photos, Albums, and Explore. Tap Albums. Once you land on this album page, you need to scroll to the bottom of the screen. Now locate option of deleted or recently deleted at bottom of the screen and open it. And on this page, you will find all the recently deleted photos and videos. You can simply open a particular video or photo, and here you will see the option to restore and delete. If you wish to restore or recover the deleted photos or videos on Android, tap Restore button and select Restore Photo. This will help you to recover deleted photos and videos. So this was one of the way. The next step you can follow: checking the trash or recycle bin. Most Android gallery apps like Google Photos or Samsung Gallery have a trash or recycle bin where deleted files are stored temporarily, usually for 30 days. So simply launch Google Photos app and open it. On your Google Photos, you will simply see the option of library. Currently, there is no such option on my app. If you have, tap library, then tap trash, and you need to select photos or video and tap restore. This is another way in order to restore the photo or videos. If none of this work for you, you can root your device. Rooting your device gives you deeper access to internal storage, which may help in recovering files. However, rooting voids warranties. It may risk further data loss or security issues. If you decide to root, use a trusted guide for your phone model and use advanced recovery tools like OnDeleter or Data Recovery Suite. So these are the steps in order to recover or restore your deleted photos and videos on Android. I hope this guide worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.